All right, we are at the fireworks stand. And we will start down here. Look what they got this year. We have Combat Zone, Texas Giant. You can read. Then there's this one. The Max Assortment. Oh, doggy. Now, mind you, it goes down there. Hey, there's Mr. Outlaw Trucker up there. I haven't seen him in a while. The dude of Reno. Look, he has on them shorts too. Check it out. Just like our Reno 911. And then we got one, the good shit. Well, of course, I'll take two of those. Texas Titty Twister. Miss Venom. Right up there. Blonde Joke. I could pick one, but I don't even use that name anymore. I think we all know who that is. We have Junicorn Farts. Oh, tasty. Nice. We have, now I kind of like this one here. Hog Damn Wild. 60 shells, 102 brakes. Yes, Hog fucking Wild. More rapid fire, more Zinga. Red Rhino. There was a little glare on that one. We got some glare on it now. You can see it. Moto Madness. Hiding back there. The Bipolar Box. We have Camel Toe. Yes, indeed. These Nuts. American Made. .38 Special. No. Classy Chassis. Koi Fish. Okay, well, as you can see, we have the whole plethora of fireworks. So now, I won't show you what I'm going to buy. I will show you that later. Okay.